Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be reacting to I'm going to see how my dogs react to like a dog video. And I want to see if he likes it or if he doesn't, or like what happens. Like what happens to it. No, I don't know it. I forgot that I was on this video. Let me just click down and let's look up. Dog whistle. I've looked it up before, but then I thought, hey, maybe I should do it for a video. So I already did the first one. Let's see. I bet you can't last 2 minutes of a dog whistle. Dog whistle sounds. Dog whistle for 12 hours. Brain clicker. Watch this boy whistle when he breathes after swallowing part of a dog toy. Oh. Maybe we should watch that as a reaction. Alright, let's just see how. Last time it was Diesel and Riddick, so Riddick didn't really hear it, so let's just try this one. Right. Let's turn up the volume. Good, right here. Hold on, still. Alright. Oh no, no. So Riddick doesn't seem to be reacting. Does he? Oh. Riddick's not reacting at all. Alright, that one he kind of got a reaction out of him. Okay. Alright, okay. 5 sounds experiment dog whistle. Alright, let's see how Riddick. Oh my god, he does not like that one. He's like, what the heck? Ugh. Come back here. Riddick's trying to find the sound. Riddick's like, what the heck? Riddick does not like this one. I don't like this one either. Oh, that was just lightning. Like, I don't want to hear that. You know what? He doesn't seem to be reacting to these. Goodbye. Let's see. What does this thing say? 5 sound.
There's just something special that makes Simple Truth and Simple Truth organic.
Alright. Here we go. It says that we can't last 2 minutes of a dog whistle. Well, I can. Oh, wow. I don't. Riddick did not like it. I showed it to him and he was like, what the. I know, yeah, I'm fine. Like, what the heck? Well, I'm done. This is really not funny. What else did I got? Relaxing, rain, around, enjoy. Anyway, guys, well, that's it for this video. Hopefully this does not hurt anybody's ears. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.